good morning, children. Don't forget to start your day with Gayatri Mantra. Today, hear your ma'am with chapter 9 of your English reader book, that is The Thief and the Thorn. Yes, as it is already known, the name of the chapter is talking about the words lying in the chapter. These are TH sound words: thief, thorn. So let us read the chapter. And before reading the chapter, let us go through the new words: stick, pick up, hurt, awake. These are new words. Let us read the chapter. Look at Ravi. Ravi is 30 years old. Ravi is a thin man. Ravi is a thin man. Ravi has a stick. Ravi has a stick. The stick has 3 thorns. There is a thief on the wall. The thief picks up the stick. The thief hurts the thumb. Hurts the thumb. Ravi is awake now. Ravi pulls the thread. The thief falls down. Ravi gets a thrill. The thief is thirsty. Ravi gives water from the thermos. The thief says, "Thank you." So it's really a nice and lovely story. As we have seen, Ravi is 30 years old and is a thin man, and he has a stick, and stick has 3 thorns. And there was a thief on the wall, and the thief pick up the stick. Okay, the thief hurts the thumb. Okay, and Ravi is awake now. After hearing this sound, Ravi awake, and Ravi pulls the thread. The thief falls down, and Ravi gets a thrill that he caught the thief. And the thief is now thirsty. Ravi gives water from the thermos. As you know, you use thermos while going to school, and you drink water from the thermos. So the thief says, "Thank you." Yes, of course, you should say thank you while getting anything from anybody. Okay, children? So read the chapter and underline all these TH sound words. Okay? Like thirsty, thermos, thank you, thief. So these are the TH sound words, and you have to underline all these TH sound words and read loudly. Read at least twice all the words and try to learn the spelling of these words. Okay? And do it yourself in that same chapter or same page. In page number 28, you have to match the pictures with their names. First is thermos. You can see thermos is there. Stick. Then trade is there. Thief. Thought. So these are the words written on the left side, and right side is containing all these pictures. So you have to match all these words, read it loudly, and match with the picture. Match with the pictures. Let us answer the following questions lying in page number 29. How old is Ravi? How old is Ravi? Ravi is 30 years old. THIRTY, 30 years old. How many thorns does the stick have? The stick have 3 thorns. The stick have 3 thorns. Who falls down? The thief falls down. The thief falls down. And who is thirsty? Of course, the thief is thirsty. So you have to write down all these answers. It's on your screen even the answers is written. So you write down on you write down in your English reader copy all these answers. And in question number 3, you have to color the boxes having th sound word as in cloth. cloth, cloth, th. So not the, th, this, the sound, it sounds the, but you have to see where is th is comes up, like thermos, thorn, bath, thirsty, thumb, and tree. These are sounds, th sound, like in cloth. So you just color all these boxes. Do all these activities in your book and write down all these questions along with their answers in your English copy. Thank you, children.